to be saved. And don't forget those £4 cinema tickets as well when you book with your club card for June the 8th. Welcome to the OYO Gin House Hotel in Greenock, in Inverclyde, Scotland. I'm in Bonnie, Scotland, just west of Glasgow, and I'm staying in this room in the Gin House Hotel for 2 nights. And this has cost £136.12, booked with booking.com. That fee includes an £8 service charge. Don't ask me what that's for, I've got no idea. Anyway, let me show you what I've got for my money. So that's where I've just come in the room. No smoking or vaping. The use of tobacco, e-cigarettes and marijuana is prohibited. I should hope so too. There's guest information just there, Wi-Fi password, etc. So immediately upon coming in on your left, you've got this stripy wallpaper and a radiator just there. Hard wearing grey carpet and a little chair just there for whatever reason. A little chair would be there before, probably to use as a chair drobe. Next to that you've got a heater and you've got tea and coffee making facilities, remote control and a drawer. Anything in the drawer? Nout. Above that, well, that is a view of the outside world. So I asked for a room on an upper floor with a view, and I'm on an upper floor and that's the view. Hey! So the remote control is for the flat screen Toshiba TV, which is perched above the wardrobe, just there. And it's a double wardrobe. Inside the wardrobe, you will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coat hangers, and please ignore my luggage and hat and gloves. But imagine they're not there, and that's what the wardrobe would look like. You've got 2 plug sockets up there. And you've got a strip plug just here, so you've got plenty of options for charging your things up. And if you want something next to the bed, there is a little plug socket hidden down there. In fact, there's 2 of them. Might require a bit of bed removal. Oh, it's a drawer divan. In fact, it's exactly the same as one in my house at home. Exactly the same. There you go. So you've got some more storage facility just there. You've got 3 drawers on this side of the bed and a bedside light. Some OYO artwork. I don't know much about OYO. Is it OYO or OYO? I actually don't know. Is it like OXO? OYO? It's only 1 letter away, isn't it? Anyway, this is the room that I've got. This is a 6-minute walk from the railway station, Greenock Central, this hotel, passing a Wetherspoons en route, which is about 2 minutes from this hotel. I've not really got much more to say about the place because I haven't really discovered it. Check-in was nice and straightforward. I met Peter, who was very pleasant, showed me to my room. That's it. So far, impressions are fine. Let's have a look at the bathroom, which reminds me a little bit of my nan's bathroom in the 1970s. It's that moulded shape to the bath and the tiles. But anyway, that's the bathroom. It might be the 80s actually, it was probably the 80s. But this is the bathroom. I would prefer a shower cubicle, but it's a shower robe or a bathtub. And then you've got the little sink there with a nice big mirror above it. And the toilet just there with an abundance of toilet rolls, a trio of toilet rolls, and some soapy things for your bag. So there is the bathroom. I'll just do another shot of the bedroom from up here. So I've not really got too much more to say. I am going to take some surreptitious shots around the building as and when I can, sandwich it all together, make a nice film, and you'll be watching this on YouTube probably in October 2025. Right kids, I'll see you in a bit.
See some Sitting in the audience, watching the whole of your life.
I'm an addict. I'm 23 years clean and sober.
For you, that story, it's just carrying on.
You see some guy dancing around, you know what I mean, doing this and doing all.
The film that you've just watched is a Moss Travel Media production, and you can find more like them by going to www.mosstravel.tv. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel and watching my film. It's hugely appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by going to youtube.com/Stuart Moss. Hit the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you hit the bell, then you'll also get notifications about any future travel films which I upload. If you like my travel films, then you might also like my second channel, which is about home and garden. Please have a look for that channel. You'll find it at www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk, and if you like what you see, please give that a subscribe also. If you'd like to connect with me as Moss Travel Media on other social media, then you'll find me on Facebook at facebook.com/Moss Travel. That's the page. And if you'd like to connect with the profile, then the profile is Moss Travelog. If you'd like to connect with me on Instagram to see my travel photography, where I'm up to, what stories I'm telling, then go to instagram.com/StuMoss or do a search for user Stu Moss. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, I'm at Moss Travel TV. On Pinterest, I'm Moss Travel Media, which is pinterest.co.uk/Moss Travel TV. On Tumblr, I'm stuartmoss.tumblr.com, or just do a search for Moss Travel Tumblr. On WordPress, I'm wordpress.com/view/MossTravelTV.wordpress.com, or do a search for Moss Travel Media on WordPress. And on vContactor, you can find me by going to vk.com/Moss Travel Media, or doing a search for Stuart Moss. If you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on mosstraveltv@gmail.com. And once again, thank you for watching and for your support. I really, really do appreciate it. I wish you all the best of days, happy travels and bon voyage.